As a freelancer, you access your client's account with Google Ad Manager. Payment is set from the client's account, whose account will be suspended if it happens. Freelancers or clients, please reply. Okay. So you need, if you are a freelancer or an agency, you need to set up what we call, I'll put it in, MCC account, My Client Center. Can you see this? Yeah, you can see it properly. You just Google Ads MCC, and you will get a link, sign it up, and then what you want to do is you need to get the 10-digit. This is really important how you do this. 10-digit ID from your client. You then send request to log into the client account through your MCC. You don't let the client add your account to their account. You will not be able to do this. It's critical. So the way is, get the ID, send the request to them. They have to approve that yes, you can get access to their account, and then using your MCC and your logins, you will access your client account. So if you got 10 accounts, all of them will be accessed through one MCC level account. So that's how we do. And if the client accounts get suspended, it will not be your MCC which will get suspended. It will be the client account.